Well, hello. Today we're going to do a visual review of this LeeKooLuu, I believe that's how you pronounce it, backup camera kit. Designed for those vehicles that may not have a rear camera that shows kind of in reverse, or maybe you want it to run all the time. So you can visibly see something in the back of your car, or behind you, or on the front, in the front of you. There's a lot of different applications, but yeah. So just it's kind of a basic camera car kit. Comes with your normal stuff. You get a mount. Of course, you get the camera, which I have in the back right now. Some mounting hardware if you need it for power. And a very detailed instruction manual. So I've got it all hooked up already. You can see right here, there's the actual camera. And so basically the wires, you're going to have a power, kind of a Y data / power cable that runs down here, that you attach to this rather lengthy cable they provide. It Ys off. One goes to the camera in the back of your car, and the other one goes to your power. Now, interesting enough, this is a new feature on this model, this LeeKooLuu model. It's a USB powered screen and camera system. You may be familiar with a lot of backup cameras that the camera and the screen had to be charged by probably a cigarette lighter, and the back camera had to be charged by you had to attach it to your brake light or reverse lights. You don't have to do that here. Now, there is the option to do that. That's what this here's provided for. If you want to somehow tap this into your actual 12-volt electrical system, that is an option, and it's a good option. But this other one's just a quicker install. So really, the install is quick. However, the longest time will be trying to find a wonderful place for this long cable that will run from that screen all the way to the back of your camera, which is back there. In my application, I'm going to use this to monitor the back of my bed of my truck. So when I'm carrying cargo, I can kind of view what's back there. So yeah, there's not a lot you can do with this screen. It's just basically kind of an on and off. There might be some brightness, some contrast, but it's just basically you just plug it in, it turns on, it's showing you the back of your vehicle, and there's probably some controls. Yeah, there's some on the back here that will probably allow you to remove those lines, change the lines, where they're at, narrow them down. So yeah, I mean, there's some options there, and your contrast and your brightness. But it's just a basic camera, so it seems to work pretty good. Install was quick, and like I said, the main feature of this is the ability to plug into your USB for power. It's kind of a very helpful option. So I hope this was somewhat helpful. Picked this up on Amazon, and again, you could probably find it by looking for backup camera kit, and then find the particular model called LeeKooLuu. That seems to be the one. Pretty good. It's got night vision, but I haven't tested that yet. But in terms of just installation and usage, it's going to work great for my needs. So thanks for watching, and I hope this helped a little bit. Thanks.
So I wanted to do a review on the LeeKooLuu front or rear camera monitoring kit for your car. You can mount it to your license plate. The kit comes complete with the 4.3-inch monitor. It's like a 25-foot cable that connects from the camera to the monitor, and it has a USB adapter, or you can actually wire it into your car, and it gives you complete directions on how to do that. But I prefer just to use the USB port. On the back of the camera, there are some buttons, and you can adjust whether you want lines to show up as you're backing up. Pardon my dog. I'm testing it in my living room. You can adjust the brightness in contrast and tint and the saturation. As you can see, the view of the camera is very nice and crisp and clear, to the point that you can even read text. Very sturdy, it's waterproof, it has a 2-year guarantee. And like I said, one of the best parts is that it has a very long extension cord, so you can actually mount it to the back of your trailer. I know a lot of cars have backup cameras, but you don't have one in the back of your trailer. So this would be the perfect add-on device for that. Very easy to plug in. It just very simple. You really don't even have to read the directions on how to wire it if you're using the USB port. Very happy with it. Nice, crisp, clear pictures.